Attention plumbers. You can replace your 80K salary with QQQI ETF, and I'm going to show you how. We're going to look at the entry level, median level, and peak level salaries. And we're also going to use QQQI's 14% dividend yield in order to get to our figures. Let's start off with the salaries. An entry level plumber makes around $47,000 a year. A median level plumber makes $64,000 a year. And a peak level plumber makes $90,000 per year. Let's get to the QQQI figures. To replace the entry level salary of a plumber, we're going to have to take $47,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $336,000 worth of QQQI. All right, so let's go to the median salary. So to replace the median salary for a plumber, we're going to have to take $64,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $458,000 worth of QQQI. All right, last but not least, peak salary. So to replace the peak salary, we're going to have to take $90,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $643,000 worth of QQQI. That wraps up all the numbers. Guys, you're probably watching this video and you're having a sigh of relief. And yes, I will agree with you. It is a sigh of relief because we have been taught that we need a 7-figure portfolio in order to become financially free. But this is not the case in today's time. Now, at the same time, these figures still take a while to achieve. Unfortunately, people do not achieve these figures, even if they are working for 40 whole years. But for the people that do, they invest consistently, reinvest their dividend income, and invest throughout all types of market conditions. If you had enough passive income to cover all of your bills, what does that mean? No more trading your time for freedom, no long hours, no lifting heavy equipment, no wear and tear on your joints, and no getting filthy. This video is scenario based. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for information purposes, so please do your own due diligence. And also, guys, be aware that QQQI is an investment. Just like any other investment, it has risk. The NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and we can also have some dividend cuts, especially in a market downturn. So guys, just be aware of that. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification button so you know when my new videos will pop up. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next video.